Okay, now in this video I'm going to tell you about some common mistakes with prepositions, and you have to write it in your fair notebook. I cannot agree to you in this situation. I cannot agree with you in this situation. It is the right one. Please see the second sentence, then I'll tell you the reference. He agreed with my demands. He agreed to my demands. So here with, okay, but the correction is to. Here it is to, but the correction is with. What is the logic behind it? The logic is that if you are using, if you are getting agreed with the person, you use with. Okay, but if you are getting agreed to a noun, that is my demands, then to is used. I do not agree dash my brother. So my brother, person, I do not agree with my brother. But if you want to say I do not agree dash his proposal, then it is about his proposal, not the person. Agree to his proposal. Similarly, agree with you and agree to demands. This is the difference. Next is, she is waiting the arrival of the postman. With waiting, we always use for. She is waiting for the arrival of the postman. Next is, please visit inside the white line. It's not inside, it's please wait behind the white line. Next, I have been waiting. So it is present perfect continuous from 3 hours period of time and perfect continuous tense. So we'll be using for here. I have been waiting for 3 hours. He reached at the airport at 3 p.m. No preposition is required before the airport. He reached the airport at 3 p.m. The flight will depart in 8 a.m. With time we use at. So the flight will depart at 8 a.m. Yay, we are just on time to catch the train. If you are on time to catch the train, you will not be able to catch the train. On time and in time, two concepts. Second is, we should pay our bills in time. See, on time means when your time is just about to finish, and in time means the time is there before even the time ends. Like suppose your teacher has asked you to submit your assignment on Monday and you submit it on Monday, then you are on time. But if you are submitting it on Sunday, then you are in time. So if you want to catch a bus or a flight, you will have to be in time, not on time. Suppose the time of the bus is 8:30 and you are reaching at 8:30 at the stop. You are on time, but you will not be able to catch the bus then. So there you will have to be in time. But if you want to pay any bill, you can pay it on time. I bought the bag with $100. No, I bought the bag for $100. Whenever you are telling the cost of anything, you tell it is for $50. It is for rupees 1,000. Then for preposition is used. Next is some words with which fixed prepositions are there, like in a hurry, in addition, in any case, in short, in brief, in detail, in doubt. He is in doubt. He is in a hurry. In addition to, on TV, on time, we have in time too, as we have discussed. On foot, it's not by foot. With food, it's on foot. I have come on foot. On business trip or anything, or he is on business, that is also a complete sentence. On a diet, on the radio, okay, or Modi ji is going to address the people on the radio. Clear? On the phone, he is on the phone, like we discussed in the example. At first, at last, at least. At risk, at first sight, at hand, at home. These are some fixed prepositions used for some words. Okay, the last one for the day. Again, some mistakes. Her work is superior than mine. Her work is superior to mine. What is the logic behind it? Whenever we have this word superior, the word ends with IOR, like it is junior or inferior, senior, then we use to preposition. Although of course with these words we have comparison of to, like her work is superior than mine. Her work and my work, to, comparison is there, but still we use to preposition with it, not than. Next, I'll see you at class. This is wrong. We have to say I'll see you in class. You should be ashamed for yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Ashamed always comes with of preposition. Is it true that Mr. Park died from lung cancer? Whenever we are talking about any disease, we have to use preposition of. Is it true that Mr. Park died of lung cancer? Next is, I'm going to London in the train. No, I'm going to London by train. Okay, the vehicles you use: by bus, by air, by flight, by train, by car. By preposition is used. Next is, he was accused for murdering his wife. The right one is, he was accused of murdering his wife. Accused of. It's a combination. Next, we all complained bitterly for the food. With complain, we always use about. If it is about a noun, okay. We all complain bitterly about the food. It's about a thing. But if we are complaining about a person, then against preposition is used. Your principal always complains about you. No, it's wrong. Your principal always complains against you. Okay. Liam failed from maths last month. Liam failed in maths last month. Subject in. I had always been interested for study. Again subject. I had always been interested in history. He doesn't listen me. He doesn't listen to me. Listen always comes with to. And now the new word for you for your dictionary, which you have to write, that is SUCCINCT. Make guesses how it can be pronounced. See this: SUHKSINGKT. Symbols: succinct. Okay, succinct, like success. Similarly, succinct.